Hey everyone, Hollywood, product manager at ColDesi. We've had a lot of requests lately on how to print on Mylar type bags for packaging. So today we are going to use our DigitalHeat FX 9541 and I'm going to show you how to print directly onto craft paper front bags. So let's go ahead and get started with setting up your software. So before we get started printing directly to the bags, I did want to show you guys the settings that I've used. Here I have created a custom media size that fits directly to my bag, which is a 5x8. I have also, in my settings, set up a custom media profile too, but I want to show you what that looks like. So under your processing options, you're going to set your coverage at 100. And under your printer options, your media type is going to be envelope and your media weight is going to be ultra heavy. Now, when you bring it in, your bag is going to look like this. So we're going to print, I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees because that's the way it's going into the printer. I'm going to make sure it's not mirrored and I'm going to slide it towards the top so it's going to print on the bottom of my bag. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to load your bags. You're going to go bottom in first, and you can load a stack of them. And keep in mind, this process is only recommended for the 9541. We have tried on other printers, but we haven't been as successful, and we've also only been as successful on the craft bags. So there is some videos floating around of a unit that looks just like this. It's an overseas model, the 9542, but we do recommend the craft bag fronts, and then you'll get great results. Now keep in mind, you can print multiples at a time. For this example, I've just printed 3. So now we have our finished bags. You'll notice that was super easy and super fast. I did buy these bags at clearbags.com and we will have a link to that in the description. They are also have a clear back, which is very nice. If you're an Amazon seller, they require this. So that is certified for Amazon. Now, some of my key takeaways here. This is recommended only for the 9541. If you do have a DigitalHeat FX, a different type of printer like the 8432 or an i560 or something like that, we do have 2 other methods that we're going to show in some future videos, and we'll link those below too, so just check those out. Thank you for watching.